Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a little Tkinter GUI program where we grab an IP address, we can clear the text box, we can quit the program, and we also save a text file to our desktop with the IP address in it. So we're going to create a little function first called start process. Okay, before we carry on, make sure you've got these modules on board here or else the program won't work. So we're going to create IP address, which is going to be equal to entry.get here. And now we're going to create a little error handler called try. And then we're going to do IP. It's going to be, whoops, it's going to be equal to socket dot get by host name. This is going to grab the IP address, and that's going to be IP address there that the user types in. Right, so then we're going to print a little message to the user which says please wait. Okay, so we're going to put a little pause on that, so that's time.sleep. I'm going to give it a pause for about 2 seconds or something like that, so time.sleep for 2 seconds. Right, so we're going to create a text file which is going to save this IP address. So we're going to put it on the desktop. So I'm going to create a path to the desktop so it can do that. It's going to be users mark desktop. Now this is the path to my desktop. It won't be the path to your desktop. So you will have to find your unique path, or else if you just type this in, it'll throw an error. So now we're going to do os.chdr, so we're going to change directory to this path here. So that's the path that we're changing to. Right, now we're going to create the text file, which is going to be open, and I'm going to give it a name like big IP address .txt, like that. That's the file, and of course we're going to create it and write to it as file object. And then we're going to do file object dot write. That's going to be the IP. So we're going to write the IP into the text file, and then we're going to tell the user print to the user, that's the IP address saved to text file. Okay, so the user knows that it's been saved to the text file, which will be on the desktop. And here we do the other part of the error handler, the accept, and that's going to be socket. So if there's any other kind of error, it's going to handle it, and that's going to be GAI error. Of course, we're going to print invalid domain or something like that. Right, okay, I'm just going to save this here. So all is looking good so far. Hopefully I won't have made any typos or anything like that. Okay, I'm going to create the first function here. It's going to be for one of my buttons called clear process. So this is going to be for the clear button here. So we can clear anything that's in the text box with this. So it's going to be entry.delete 0. It's going to be tk.end. So that will delete anything comes into the text box. Now we're going to create the next function to quit the program. So I'm going to call it quit program. So these are the commands, and that's going to be root dot I think it's destroy. Okay. Right, the next one we're going to do here is going to be we're going to start on the TK program now. So we're going to start on the GUI. Got that. Quit start. Let's have a look. Okay, what should I start with first? I'm going to start off with the main window, so that's going to be root tk.tk. Okay, so this is going to be the main window. Root.title. We're going to give it a title. What am I going to call it? IP. Want of a better name, IP Hunter, something like that. Okay, we're going to create a label now. So this is going to be label is equal to tk dot label, and then we're going to do root. We're going to do the text here of the label. So the text is going to be something like enter a domain. Okay, so that's going to be enter a domain. So we've got label tk label root there, tk label root. Let's just check through that, make sure that's okay. It's looking good. Okay, so we're going to create a text box entry. Oh, sorry. Oh dear, I nearly forgot. Label dot pack. Okay, so we need that. Okay, so now we're going to create a text box entry. So that's going to be entry is equal to tk dot entry root. We're going to do entry dot pack. Yeah, so we're just calling these. Oops, made a mistake there. Entry dot pack. Okay, the next one we're going to create a button to start the process. I'm going to call it button equal to tk dot capital button. Do root, and the text on the button is going to say start. Text on the button is going to say start. Then we're going to do the command for it. So that's going to be command is equal to start, and this is going to be process. Right, so that's the button, and we get that from the button.pack. Okay. Right, so now what we're going to do the clear button on here. So I'm just going to call it clear button. Here is going to equal tk dot button. Then we're going to do root here, and then we're going to do the text for the button again, and that's going to be on the clear button. That's going to be, of course, clear. Okay, and then we're going to do the command for this, which is going to be command is equal to clear, and then process. Okay, and then we're going to drag that from the clear button pack. Oops, clear button dot pack. Okay, and nearly finally we're going to do the quit button, so that's going to be quit button is going to be equal to tk dot button, again root, text is going to be equal to quit, and the command for this equals quit. It's going to be program. There we go. Let's have a look here. That's looking okay so far. So we're going to get that quit button pack. Quit button dot pack. Okay, and the final one is the root main loop, which keeps the program going. Root dot main loop. Okay, hopefully there'll be no typos in there, so let's just run it. Okay, so there we go, we've got that. So let's just type something into here. Let's just clear it. Okay, we've got a little bit of an error here, so delete name error th is not defined. So let's just find out where that is. Okay guys, just check out the code here, because I've just altered it a little bit, and we'll just run it now. So just check out the code now. So we can go through create the main window, create the label here. This one is to create a text entry box, and this one is to create a button to start the process, and this one is to run Tkinter events. So just check out this source code. I'll just run it again, and I'll also save the source code on GitHub. I'll put a link in the description box below so you can get this. So let me just save that. Let me just run it. Okay, so let's just type in a load of old rubbish like that. Clear it. Okay, let's type in a domain, www.com. Okay, let's hit start. Please wait. And there we go. We've got the IP address. The IP address has been saved to a text file, so let's just check that out. Let's quit IP address here. So we've got the IP address on the desktop in a text file. So I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button now, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.